Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today with another installment of
Unravel with the Jackson Travels.
Today we will be highlighting Vamos, a Universal street show. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. The Vamos Street Show is located at Universal Orlando Resort in the New York section of Universal Studios. Vamos is a vibrant Latin dance street show that debuted in 2022. The Vamos Street Show takes guests on a fun and interactive journey that allows crowds to dance, sing, and interact with performers. Guests of any age or background are welcome to join in. Performers allow audience members multiple opportunities to dance one-on-one or in a group. However, participation in the show is not required. Vamos performers also perform non-participation choreographed dances for all to watch and enjoy. The Vamos show has no stage and is performed on the streets of New York about 6 times a day. Each show's musical lineup is the same, with performers adding their own unique twists with every performance and audience. Based on the crowd's energy, each show could be more exciting and different. Overall, the show is very laid back and is enjoyable for all ages. So now that you know about the Vamos Street Show at Universal Orlando, let's take a look at one of the performances.
Free! Don't move, don't move! Everybody, clap your hands!
What
hope you enjoyed this overview of the Vamos Street Show at Universal Orlando Resort. If you haven't already, we hope you get to enjoy this show soon. Please be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Universal content coming soon. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye!